Dun, 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 dun. What's going on, guys? I hope everyone's having an awesome day. I just wanted to touch base on a few things before we crack onto the video and just let you guys know sort of everything that's going on. We've had a lot of people hit us up about stickers and our lanyards and whatnot. We did just restock our lanyards, just about to get more. Shout out to everyone for going hard on the lanyards. Stickers are back in on Monday, so when this video goes up, I'll update the website and everything will be shipped out on Monday, because that's when I'll get the stickers myself. And also, I'm actually looking at getting stickers made up locally and getting some new designs and whatnot. I have some sick ideas and some funny stuff that I want to do. But yeah, big shout out to everyone that's supporting the channel. We really appreciate you guys, and it's only helping us do more videos and get the cars done quicker and all of that stuff. So just big shout out to you guys. I really apologize for the wind too. I'm going to be upgrading cameras in the next 3 weeks or so, so you will notice a change in that pretty soon, just so you guys know. And we are also looking at planning another big GearHeadsOz meet. It's just been sort of hard to even think about doing something like that with the way things are at the moment, with all the restrictions and no big gatherings and whatnot. But now the way things are easing up and everything, we're looking at where we'll be able to have a meet, how many people would be able to come, and when we'll actually be able to do it. So that's definitely something on the cards in the future. So let us know what you think about that, because we were thinking at this meet we would bring the Mighty Fine VS, that would be T5 welded diff, running, all mint, skidder, setup, possibly even L67 by then. And basically, a friend of mine that's been in the videos, helped with the gold XR6 turbo, Joel, he came up and helped me do my gearbox when the gearbox blew up. Well, he's basically just going to give me this VS wagon that he got. He blew the motor up in it, and he's not really got the time to fix it, sort of thing. And so he knows I love my wagons, and he's an absolute dead set legend, and he's basically just going to give this wagon to me. I've just got to go get it. So thinking about bringing this VS along to a Mighty Fine GearHeadsOz meet and raffling it off at $10 a raffle ticket, and at the end of the meet, one of you legends goes home with the VS that we've all been watching get put together, get built, get made into a mad skid pig. So let us know what you think about that, because that's definitely an idea on the cards. And now, if I was to do that, it would be, obviously, you know, the VS, we would have had it for a while by then. It would be all done. Wouldn't be much going further with it, because we'll be ripping into, like, we'll be doing the turbo VS and everything. It'll just be running and driving, and I'll just be using it to go everywhere, basically. And if I'm getting this wagon, I'll be able to do it all again to this wagon, make the wagon sick, just do a bang up eBay turbo, like $1,000 turbo setup on it even. I just love my wagons, guys. And I figured, you know, everyone's supporting the channel, everyone's watching the videos of us getting this VS going. We've gotten a lot of subs recently because of this VS and everything. It's a big thing on the channel. VS is a fucking... So I figured, why not give it away to one of you legends, especially the ones that are going to come out to a GearHeadsOz meet. So let us know what you think. But anyway, guys, I really hope you enjoy the video of the beauty VS. It's really not a beauty, but yeah, we're really ripping into it, and this engine's gone from one of the filthiest engines to one of the cleanest, and it's fucking awesome, and I can't wait for it to be running again. It's just, all the mechanical side of it is just bloody gonna be mint, and it's just gonna be sent like no bloody tomorrow. What's going on, legends? So I just finished work not long ago. It's freezing cold as always. Welcome to Canberra. And Dylan is also just about to finish work, and he's on his way here. So I'm just going to run inside for a bit and crack on to editing as much of the next video that I can. And then when he gets here, we'll rip in to these bad girls. Yeah? Yeah. Fuck yeah! That's a Mighty Fine VT you got there, mate. And what about that one there? Oh, hello.
Yeah, I'm here. And I'm fucking tired. I have to move like 8 ton worth of just like hand sanitizer.
Hand sanitizer boxes. Yeah, that pegger.
Get the pegger.
That's fucking dumb.
Loves it. Wait, so you want to know something sick?
I'd love to know something sick.
Look at that.
Not too fucking bad. What have you done to it so far? Just taking everything off?
Everything besides the balancer and the sump, and then pulling off down to the heads. Oh, also, I made new purchases this morning on the way home from work, guys.
Make new purchases like every
I've
day.
seen this little kitty here.
I fucking saw that.
Yeah, no, actually, yeah, have a look at that.
Is that a left-handed screwdriver?
Got lots of different-handed screwdrivers in that one. All types.
How much does that cost you?
$50.
Oh, that's a win.
And then, also got some high heat clear and some red. So black and red, boys.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, and I got the razor scraper.
Oh.
Razor scraper and 5 refills for it.
Wee.
So that we can scrape off all the gaskets and whatnot without fucking anything by trying to use a flathead screwdriver.
Good boy.
It's just how you. That's just
gouging their head. Should be,
yeah. It just makes your whole gasket swap fucking pointless. But yeah, no, we're good to go, boys.
Oh, mate.
Schmicko.
Ah! You want it? Shit! Expecting him to run off with it. You're not to be trusted. I did it.
Alright then, alright. You think you're such a man?
No, because I got bullied because I couldn't do it. Fuck!
That's right. You can't fucking do it.
Bro, bro.
No.
Yes, bud!
Oh, you little dog.
Oh, I was starting to lose faith there, boys. Never lose faith. That's the lesson.
That fucking
mad
rattled me, bro.
Mad dog. Yeah, that would have
Look at that.
got,
Look at a hand point.
that would have got your wrist a bit.
It hurt my palm.
Feel good?
It hurt my palm.
Nice
It
one.
was just.
Good release, mate.
Oh,
Good job, mate.
bro, I reckon that's better than an orgasm. That just feels a lot better.
You're on next level fucked up.
Yeah.
So, pro tip. Harmonic balancer bolt is normal thread.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now what you do is you just grab it and go like that and
Yeah.
it usually comes off. Yeah, yeah.
This just doesn't exist.
I didn't expect that to work, eh?
That was good. Good bolts to use because it holds the weight of the engine. So.
That's what I thought about with that fucking bolt.
You can tell how old this kit is. I used this on my like first L67
Have you
Eco
opened
tech.
it?
Yeah. Look at it. It's faded as shit. I've used it
Yeah,
before. I had to buy bolts.
Doesn't mean that. Doesn't mean anything. It's just
I had
sitting
to
on the
buy-
back window for fucking hours.
Is it, bro, a year? More than a year?
I had to buy screws just to be able to use it. That'll fit through there and whatnot.
Oh yeah, she's open.
What are you doing?
Oh no. Oh no.
Get fucked on.
That's it. Nah, it's in the back here, surely.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go digging.
Oh,
Here we go. Exclusive look inside the Turbo VS.
Go on digging, boys. We've got a brand new clutch cable. Brand new clutch cable. Got an Aeroflow line locker.
That's what you want.
yeah, thanks.
Nice, mate. See you, mate. Is it in your boot?
It might be. I know. I've
Pop
seen
your boot.
it, bro. I've seen
I swear I've seen it in your boot, eh?
Where's the fucking boot? That's one of these bolts.
Oh, yeah. Hello? You in here?
some juice, bro.
Yeah, maybe. Do this. Do you want to go dig through that while I hold the boot up?
Bro, I've got so much shit I don't even remember about. I've got rear braces for in here. What the fuck? What?
How long has it been since you've actually properly gone through this?
a fair while.
That's handy.
Yeah, sick.
Put that aside. That might come in handy.
Fucking yeet.
Man, you fucking not here, boys. Well, shit.
Matt's like, fuck, that's all me fucking spanners in there, eh?
God damn it. Some purple engine enamel. Chrome coat. Fucking hell. This cunt's on something.
I don't think that's how zippers work, bro.
I just wanted to pull it towards me, and the zipper just went.
Oh, that's a like detail kit, except it's coated in fucking motor oil.
That's why the zipper's fucked.
Oh, it's pristine.
Yeah, bring him out. Yeah, fuck yeah.
Scratch and
Give
swirl
the VS a
remover.
detail.
Done. Rolling
Turtle wax, fuck yeah, boys.
Yes, son.
Bloody hell, forgot about this bad boy. What's that? Car wash, super concentrate. Yeah, we'll use some of that. Bang, bang. So this intercooler, like I've said before, is the fattest one you can fit, like basically between the mounts for the Rio bar. So if you look from the top here, right now the aircon, that aircon module, can whatever the fuck it is blocking where it would actually sit up under behind the Rio bar. But once it's up there, I'm thinking the bottom of it would probably sit somewhere around this bit, like maybe there. And yeah, it's fucking sick. That's so annoying, because like it's one bit that's missing, but it stops us from doing the whole
main
thing.
bit.
And now it's like, I'm basically going to have to go buy a whole nother fucking kit. So, what we're going to do is we're just going to do the whole top end stuff. We're going to take the plenum and everything off, obviously, to do all that. We're going to clean them all up, paint them and everything. Whether I buy a new kit or hit up one of the boys for a kit or whatever. But for now, we're just going to do what we can without stopping, because so many times already we've had to stop and go get something to keep going, and I don't want to keep doing that. I just want to fucking do the cunt.
So
I bought it and I was like walking up to the checkout and I was holding it like this and I like didn't even realize. I looked at it and I was like, that's fucking sick, dude. And then
you can beat someone over the head with it.
Minecraft.
Open her up.
Fuck.
All
I
right.
look over and he's fucking.
Look, there's a lot going on, Donnie. Don't worry about it. Get it open. What are you thinking? What are you?
Right, what is up with this? Is that any
Oh,
review?
cheeky dogs.
Do you know what's the classic story? What's the classic thing I'm just about to say? Where the fuck is my 10 mil?
Fucking lost it.
Look, I need to break that.
Did you break it? Oh, no, I'll get my knife in there, bro.
Fuck it up.
Fuck it up, Candy. Fuck it up. I'm going from this way so I don't stab you.
Oh
Ooh.
god.
Got it.
There's one thing. Please don't stab me.
I won't, man. Don't stress.
Stress
I
levels.
might actually.
Stress
Here, you hold
levels are
this.
high.
You hold this. I hold this. Then I only stab myself.
Don't aim at your fucking gut, you cooked.
It's not at my gut.
God damn it.
There's a whole like.
Yeah, and if it slips off and goes up,
It's gonna
boots,
get, like,
right there.
Oh, fuck it, eh?
Dead.
Honestly.
Fuck it. Put it.
Full send.
Be careful, be careful. So,
Gosh.
alright. Now let's switch.
Yeah, right.
Drop him down there.
Close this, and I'll see what's the mum. On the bears. Very nice.
I think maybe this one.
No, a bit smaller. Yes.
It's ratchet. You're kidding me. Wait up.
Even more of a win.
What? That's killer. That's killer.
How much you spend on that? $50?
$50.
$50. Not bad, not bad. Liam's still going hard over here.
It's fucking getting there.
He's doing good. Good work, Mark. Good work.
Oh shit.
Oh fuck. Oh shit.
That's like shit, man.
I flicked the ratchet around, boys. Don't know how it works yet, sorry.
Still learning.
Just a nail plater on this machine. This fancy machine right here, this ratchety fucking screwdriver.
Mate, it looks bloody like futuristic, eh?
Trick ya.
That was not.
Is that your hand or
That's mental.
That's fine. Don't worry about it. Oh, wrong way. That's probably gonna be
Dirty as fuck.
gonna be real dirty under there.
Ooh,
I mean, not terrible, but
bad.
bit of build up.
That's where it all is.
Yeah.
So we'll clean him up, but first we'll just get each of these out, pop him off, get to all these nuts down here, pop the lower inlet off, pop the rocker covers off, start cleaning this up and whatnot, get them ready to start getting painted. Go from there. Never mind.
No mind.
Puro is still connected, but the injectors should pop out with it, so that's alright. Let's see. Oh, it's lifting the whole lower inlet manifold because Liam's already loosened bolts. Go David, look. No, I'm not dissing you, Liam. I'm just explaining the situation. Just coming off, boys. Oh wait, no, yeah, you gotta yeet this out.
That's what I'm
To
getting
get,
to.
you have to get him off. God damn it!
Oh, no.
Got him. Ooh, ooh. She needed a lower inlet manifold, boys.
Yes,
Yucky.
she did.
Look at that gasket leak right there. Over here. It's water mixing with oil, boys.
Yeah.
Can't be having none of that.
Prove my science teacher wrong.
Oh shit.
Ooh. Yikes.
Straight up head gasket's gone, guarantee it.
Mm-hmm.
You already know the lower inlet manifold
Shall I
gasket.
flip it
is
over?
Shot.
It's not too bad.
Mm.
Some worse.
Mm. Yeah.
So just pop this bad boy out. So now we can get to the bolt and this one in here. We'll be able to remove this.
Get tight.
Fucking head. Liam's currently doing some of the head studs. Just cracking them.
Ready? Look at the oil, the colour of the oil that comes off here. Hang on, let it focus. That's yucky.
That's sludge.
Absolute grot.
That's mental.
See, that's why it's not a good idea to just throw a motor in without opening it up at least.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one would have been a dud in fairly short time.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
You would have started it, you just would have gone knock, knock,
It
knock,
would
knock,
have
knock.
lasted the same amount that this cunt lasted because this has done the same thing as this.
Yeah.
Look at that, pretty bare. So it's this dog.
Bare bone.
One.
Now, one thing about head studs, they are torque to yield, so you're only supposed to use them once. But we're just going to send it for now and use these ones again.
Full send. Bro. You just got oil and blood covered fingers.
Yep. So it generally goes working on Commodores.
Or any Holden for that matter. Or anything Japanese.
Look at that shit, man.
Hang on, let it focus. He's got the windmill technique going.
That's the one.
This is a fucking certified mechanic.
What?
No, certified mechanic.
I'm trying to see the distance.
Oh, yes.
Watch them have so much carbon build up.
Oh, watch one of them be cracked.
Oh, you fucking take that back, you little cock.
Oh, yeah, what are you going to do, cunt?
Bend over, you little fuck. It's already lubed up.
No, hang on, don't. I got to get ready, bro.
You're too slow, bro. I would have had you fisted by now.
You fucking wish. You wish, honestly. Oh, fuck it up, Kenny. Fuck it up. Fuck it up.
He fucked it up. Oops. There you go. Here's your Domino's dog. Betcha.
Is he there?
Betcha it's him.
Domino's.
Yeah,
bud.
Come around. He's
Jesus.
loosening it. She's got a bit of a gap in there, boys. Actually, I want to get on the other side. They're a bit of a heavy dog. Don't chuck him on the floor, fucker. Fucking
bag
bag
right.
for a reason, mate.
Fucking bag right there, boys. Wrong type of bag if you ask me.
Fuck yeah. Push rods, stay.
I'm trying to fly his head off there.
There you go.
Ready? There he goes. Boots!
Boots. Oh, fucking dog's behind me.
Not too terrible.
Hmm.
Let me show him the white one.
That's not too bad. Come on the other side.
Decent bit of build up, not gonna lie. Cylinder walls are pretty good.
Hmm. Not too bad. Now she's.
Might clean them up a bit, but
Yeah.
just get that the layer removed. Get those heady boys off. Oh, they're not on there.
Not too bad.
How's that for a decently bare motor?
Now to flip it.
Hmm.
Let's get the. Oh, you can take this up. No, yeah.
Yeah, we'll leave the stump on for now.
Alright.
What?
What?
Dirty pig.
Not too bad.
Start cleaning them up. Yeah, bud.
Yeah, bud.
Dirty, dirty, fucking dirty. Oh, that's pure filth. Look, that's grottiness.
Fucking be a pest.
I'm always a pest.
Oh, what's that bottom one? Actually, no, that's the shit one. Don't worry about it.